And with the not guilty plea, Frattolin will remain in Essex County Jail as the case moves forward. We have continuing coverage of this case tonight. CBS 6's Sam Israel spoke with legal experts about the challenges prosecutors and defense attorneys face in a case that crosses borders. Sam.
Yeah, good evening, Lara. Luciano Frattolin was officially charged today with second-degree murder and concealing a human corpse while in court. Frattolin was vacationing in New York State at the time of his daughter's death. He has businesses in Canada and holds dual citizenship in Italy and Ethiopia. Experts say his international background played a role in the judge denying bail.
Not surprisingly, the judge decided not to release him because he has no ties to New York State or the community. He's a foreign citizen, and the problems of getting someone back if they don't return is certainly complicated.
Capital Region Attorney Paul Hanessian warns the global connections in this case could slow down court proceedings.
This all took place outside the country, outside the jurisdiction. You can't just subpoena records in a foreign country. So getting information, getting witnesses is going to be more difficult and time-consuming.
The trial is currently scheduled for January, but lawyers say that timeline could easily shift.
Some defendants and clients and lawyers think that. The reality is most of these cases have a lot of evidence, are complex, and the defense needs as much time as possible. And I would say that the judge setting a trial date in this case doesn't necessarily mean that's when the trial is going to be.
And in a small community like Essex County, attorneys like Matt Winchell from Rochester say picking a fair jury may not be easy.
What the media reports on, that's not always going to come out in a trial. So, from the defense perspective, it's very important to try to weed through and find somebody who actually has no idea about the case.
Lawyers like Hanessian say a change of venue is unlikely, pointing out that this case has evolved into a national story and that the suspect had no ties to any community here.
And nowadays, the internet overrules and supersedes people's information source. So it's not like the old days where you may have had just a local newspaper and local television station.
While a plea deal is possible, lawyers believe both sides will need to go through mountains of discovery first.
I'm sure there's going to be a lot of discovery in the case. He could always plead as some sort of an insanity defense.
Now, experts believe additional charges could still be filed as investigators gather more information, but that information may take longer for them to get because of the cooperation required between countries. Live in the studio, Sam Israel, CBS 6 News.